Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to be doing part 2 of the Coleman ct200u build series, which if you guys haven't seen the first part yet, go check it out. We put a upgraded air filter and carburetor on it just to open this thing up a little bit more power, and put a new brake lever on it because the throttle got stuck and it did a backflip off a tree. But this thing is super clean. We're going to be putting a new clutch on it. It's going to come here anytime now. It's really dark out. It's supposed to be here around 10 p.m. so I'm literally waiting to get this thing on so I can ride it tomorrow for a video for you guys. But yeah, it's gonna be pretty awesome. I cannot wait. Which after this, I'm gonna be putting in a clip for you guys of what I was doing before with the old clutch. There's a broken spring in there, and yeah. So, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Like and subscribe, and here we go. How's a wasp on me or something? Okay, well, we finally got the clutch the next day, and we're going to throw this thing on real quick. Okay, well, we finally got this thing out now. First one that came that I was talking about didn't come until the next day. It was the wrong size, so I had to wait another day, and we finally got it, which it was $70 at Harbor Freight, because I was going to go there, so I didn't have to wait. But it's $20 on Amazon, so I'm like, might as well just buy the Amazon one. No point in spending that much on this. But yeah, it seems a lot more, seems better. I'd say it gained a little bit of speed. Yeah, one of the old, like I showed, those clutch springers broke, which I don't know if I can replace that. I might, if I can, just do that so I got a little backup. And also an update on my four-wheeler for the people who are wondering. I got 2 leaky rear axles now. So, gotta do that. This thing seems a lot better though right now. And I think I put everything back together correctly. I still kind of wish I had the Pt300X. It's kind of nice, but it's for $1,500 now, and I sold it for $500. But they also put 212 Predator Ghost on it. Everything, they put a lot of money into it, torque converter, everything. So I kind of want to sell this and buy that one back. Still got my C3 sticker on the old fender and stuff. So much water all this still has in it. Oh, it's drying up quite a bit. Can kind of do a burnout. I don't know where my grandma went. She's somewhere back there. I was talking to my grandma. She said that there's a car back here where I drive my four-wheeler into the mud hole. She said there's a little black car. No way. I don't know how I didn't see it if there is. I don't know if I'm dumb or something. Oh, I remember seeing tire marks. So I was just like, oh, it must have been a four-wheeler or something. Am I blind? I think I'm blind. Oh crap, no, I see it right there. Oh, I almost busted my butt. There is one right here. What? Oh my. Okay, so this is crazy. I've seen this car driving past my neighborhood super slow for the past like month. Every night at like 1 o'clock, and it came out of the woods. It's a blacked out little Dodge Dart thing. My grandma's dusting them out. But yeah, I was wondering. So yeah, I've seen them. They've been driving past. I don't know if they're like drug dealing or something. But that car has been going around here for like a little bit over like a month. Super late at night, driving slow and stuff. I was wondering. Okay, here's the moment of truth. See if all this is more powerful and not doing that weird clutch thing. It's kind of doing it, but not as bad. I mean, the old clutch is messed up either way. But now it's still kind of doing it. Oh! See, it's still doing it. I have no clue what the issue is. issues. Still having that issue. My old mini bike can't do that. Well, that's fun. Okay, cut off. Let's see what that is. I still never tuned my, ow, that had some gas buildup. I still never tuned my carburetor, my air fuel, so I'm guessing that's the issue. Oh my. Still broken. Oh, it's smoking a lot. I don't know, it's like...
I can smell it. Is it belt driven or chain?
It is chain, but I think the clutch, I burnt up the brand new clutch.
What?
I think I just burnt up the brand new clutch. Or something. Okay, that's smoking quite a bit. Yeah, it's not good. Okay, so I'm pushing it towards main choke a little bit more of the hard stuff, and then I'm gonna drive it back to my house. But that thing didn't last long. So if you guys know what the issue is, please comment down below now. Now I'm just lost for words, I don't know. But yeah, so hard ground is completely fine. Gets into soft stuff, no happy. Okay, please start. Oh. There we go. Darn it, it's not happy. Okay, still going. Okay, well, an actual update is, so I have this spark plug in here. I got a new carburetor. I never put the upgraded spark plug in it, and then I'm gonna mix with the air and fuel mixture on a carburetor, and I think that's gonna make it run right, because it's running a little bit rich right now. Okay, we got the new spark plug in. We got it gapped. We're gonna mess with the air fuel mixture a little bit, and yeah. So this is time we're really gonna end the video. Just I've been doing this video for like a week. I want to get out another one for you guys with it all running and stuff. But that's part 2 or 3 or something of the mini bike build. So if you guys want to see more on the channel, like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Which my clutch, I think, is good. It's just smoking because it's brand new. That's what I'm guessing. So yeah, see y'all on the next one.